Hey y'all, welcome to 12 Days of Christmas, Day 8. We are bringing you some farmhouse crafts today. The host is Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Krista from Krista's Crafty Life. You guys, we will have a playlist and I will link that down in my description box along with Brenda and Krista. We will link them down there as well. Now you guys, I only have one project for you guys today. I don't even know how I made it or how I'm doing it or what's happening, but things are starting to run together for me. Now this cute tray, I got it from the Dollar General when I went to bring my daughter back to college this year. I picked up a couple of them and I'm really kicking myself in the butt because I kind of wished I would have grabbed all of them now, but I wanted to let others have some, I suppose. Now, this is a transfer. It says it came, I got it from Amazon, excuse me, but it looks like it's a chalk couture stencil, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm pretty sure Brenda or Krista could let me know if it is, but I'm not exactly sure. But it looks almost similar. So I painted the bottom, okay, with the black chalk paint. And then we're going to paint the top of it. I also painted those feet, you guys, but of course, I'm not going to actually use those feet in this video today, so you can go ahead and scratch that unless it works out for you. If you have these bowls, if you found them. These are like dough bowls is what they look like, just not finished like you normally see them. And I'm going to give this a very thick kind of coat here because wood likes to soak this stuff in after a while. So and then now I'm just taking a baby wipe here and I'm just going to wipe every piece off I can here. You guys, I want you guys to know that I actually did 12 Days of Christmas with Brenda last year, you guys. So I'm going to link that right now at the top of the video here in my iCards. If you guys want, you can go ahead and check that out and get some more inspiration from what we did last year. Now, on these, I'm using this cement glue, okay? First of all, like I said, I don't end up using it because when I glued them down, 3 of the feet were fine. 1 of the feet were just a dangling in the air, and I can't. I just could not do it. I want this to look nice and high-end, not 1 foot of dangling. Anyways, yeah, so I wanted to show you this is an option. You guys, I even went and grabbed like a candlestick and like a few other things to try to put on top of it. And when I sat down in my seat and just like looked at it, it's just how the bowl is carved out. It's just crooked. So it's a no. So I think this is going to be just as wonderful flat on the table. Yeah, so this, like I said, it looks like a chalk couture stencil, but I'm not exactly sure. But I really like these stencils. They are very, very nice. And they leave that crisp, nice looking rustic farmhouse feel too. So I'm cutting out the farm fresh eggs. And do I cut? Oh yeah, I was like, wait, I'm starting to cut off a different one. But no, I cut out the farm fresh eggs here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use some of the Snow White chalk paint. I was thinking about using the plaster, but I had a feeling that if I used the plaster, some of that wax would soak into it and it would make it a very dull, dirty looking, like a almond color maybe, but a little darker than that because like I said, it would soak in. So I just did the white. And then that's it, you guys. I will show you more of that here in a second. But I want to say thank you so much to Brenda and Krista for having us on the playlist today on their 12 Days of Christmas. And I want to thank all my subscribers as well. Y'all are amazing. And then I just added some Christmas greenery to this and a couple pieces of eggs. And yeah, you guys, look how adorable this is. Now this is just here sitting on my craft desk, but I'm gonna show you guys it upstairs in my kitchen styled on my table. Look at this. It is so beautiful, and I'm loving the black and the wax or walnut color together. Oh, it is just so beautiful. Like, look at this. I love it, and it goes with all my other decor in my kitchen. Yes. Now, you guys, I also have another video coming out today too. You'll have to check that out. I made some awesome ornaments. But if you guys want, you can go ahead and tap my picture right here, right now, to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and go ahead and watch these 2 videos here if you'd like to get some more inspiration from me. So I want to say thank you guys until next time. Bye.